आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव।
Azadi Ka Safar with AIR News. Birth of a Nation. India's glorious freedom struggle is one of the greatest struggles the modern world has ever witnessed. AIR News brings you a glimpse of this struggle every day.
माननीय सभासदों, माननीय अध्यक्ष जी.
In today's episode, we remember freedom fighter and first Speaker of Lok Sabha, Ganesh Mavalankar, who was born on 27th of November 1888. As Speaker of the first Lok Sabha of a newborn nation, Mavalankar's role was not merely that of a moderator and facilitator of its proceedings, but of a statesman and a founding father invested with the responsibility to establish rules, procedures, conventions and customs that suited the ethos of India.
Born in Baroda, Gujarat, Mavalankar was a lawyer by profession and also took keen interest in social work, which brought him in contact with eminent national leaders like Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Mahatma Gandhi. He played an active role in the freedom movement in Gujarat and was imprisoned several times and spent nearly 6 years in jail.
Mavalankar dedicated himself to the affairs of Ahmedabad municipality for nearly 2 decades and was elected to the then Bombay Legislative Assembly representing the city of Ahmedabad in 1937. He was elected to preside over the Central Legislative Assembly in 1946.
Mavalankar was elected to the office of Speaker of the Constituent Assembly Legislative on the 17th of November 1947. And with the adoption of the Constitution of Free India on the 26th of November 1949, Mavalankar became the Speaker of the Provisional Parliament and continued to occupy the office of the Speaker till the first Lok Sabha was constituted in 1952.
During this time, Mavalankar ensured that all the rules, practices, procedures and conventions necessary for the smooth functioning of a representative parliament in the country were put in place before the elections to the first Lok Sabha were completed in the country in 1951-52. No one was therefore surprised when Mavalankar was chosen as the Speaker of the first Lok Sabha of independent India on 15th of May 1952.
During his tenure as a Speaker of Lok Sabha, Mavalankar introduced several new rules and procedures and also modified the existing ones to suit the new conditions. On his initiative, the question hour became a regular and meaningful feature of parliamentary sessions. Devices like short notice questions and half-an-hour discussions were introduced to make the government truly accountable to the Parliament.
The discussion on President's address on a motion of thanks was started by him to ensure independence and supremacy of Parliament in the system of government. Mavalankar envisioned an independent Secretariat of Parliament directly under the control of the presiding officers.
Mavalankar's speakership was cut short abruptly by his untimely death on the 27th of February 1956 in Ahmedabad. Through 5 decades of selfless service, Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar has left a deep imprint of his personality on the office of the Speaker and on the Parliament of India. We salute this great Indian.
Today, we also remember renowned Hindi poet Harivansh Rai Bachchan, who was born on 27th of November 1907.
किस पथ से जाऊं असुमंजस में है वो भोला पाला अलग अलग पथ बतलाते सब पर मैं ये बतलाता हूँ राह पकड़ तू एक चला चल, पा जाएगा मधुशाला।
Father of legendary actor Amitabh Bachchan, Harivansh Rai grew up during a time when India was striving for its freedom against British imperialism and was influenced by the Gandhian philosophy of non-violence. Let us remember him through his poem Azadi Ke Geet, dedicated to India's independence on 15th of August 1947.
हम ऐसे आजाद, हमारा झंडा है बादल, चांदी सोने हीरे मोती से सस्ती गुड़ियां, इनसे आतंकित करने की बीत गई घड़ियां, इनसे सज धज बैठा करते जो हैं कठपुतले, हमने तोड़ अभी फेंकी हैं बेड़ी हथकड़ियां, परंपरागत पुरखों की हमने जागृत की फिर से, उठा शीश पर रखा हमने हिम किरीट उज्ज्वल, हम ऐसे आजाद, हमारा झंडा है बादल, चांदी सोने हीरे मोती से सजवा छाते, जो अपने सिर धरवाते थे वे अब हैं शर्माते, फूल कली बरसाने वाली टूट गई दुनिया, फूल कली बरसाने वाली टूट गई दुनिया, वज्रों के वाहन अंबर में निर्भय गहराते, इंदिरा युद्ध भी एक बार जो हिम्मत से उठे, छत्र हमारा निर्मित करते 60 कोटि करतल, हम ऐसे आजाद, हमारा झंडा है बादल, हम ऐसे आजाद, हमारा झंडा है बादल।
That brings us to the end of this episode of Azadi Ka Safar with AIR News. See you in the next episode tomorrow.